Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You own Loomian Legacy, you've unlocked the arcade map, and your Roblox account is secure with 2FA. Next, visit the arcade hub in-game and check which minigames or machines are active. This determines what rewards you can earn. Once done, exchange a small amount of currency for entry or a token. This gets you into the loop quickly. Make sure to note daily resets and ticket costs so you don't run out mid-run. You now focus on execution. Pick the machines or minigames that return the best rewards for your spend, because efficiency matters. While playing, exploit event boosts or multipliers to maximize output. This is why timing matters. Once you're in a rhythm, records spawn timers and mechanics so you can repeat successful runs without wasting resources. Also, make sure to rotate between activities to avoid diminishing returns and to keep progress steady toward your goal. To finish, claim and consolidate rewards into your Loomian Legacy inventory immediately so nothing is lost. This step finalizes the gains from the arcade. If rewards don't appear, relog, clear cache, and retry. This often resolves sync issues between Roblox and the game. If the problem persists, take screenshots and file a support ticket. Clear evidence shortens resolution time. One key troubleshooting tip: verify server region and event timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.